Hi, today I'm for the Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to change face unlock animation on this device. So now we can see here the currently animation. Let's just go to the settings, scroll down to the security and now tap to the face section. Now just enter your unlock methods and tap to animation styles. So now just to change the animation style of our face unlock, we should just select one from these available animations. Let's use this one. Tap to apply. Now let's check it. So as we can see, we just changed the animation style of the face unlock feature successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.